Michael Yang.
And my name is Dana Yang.
And we're gonna draw forests.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna use color, it'll just be in pen.
Yeah.
And first I'm gonna draw some trees over here. And there's gonna be a road, a tiny, tiny road going through the forest. There's gonna be lots of trees.
Yeah. Right?
Please don't criticize me about how I draw my trees. I'm gonna draw a super tall tree over here. And there's another tree over here. And over here there's gonna be a restroom. And there's gonna be a boy restroom and a girl one. And there's gonna be some more trees over here. And what? More trees over here. And more. And in the background, there's gonna be mountains. And the sun over here. And there's gonna be more trees. And more trees. And And over here, you can see the Slender Man. And there's gonna be more trees and more trees. And I'm gonna draw some birds flying in the sky and a nest in this tree. And there's a bird in the tree. And there's gonna be a nest in this tree too. And that's how you draw a forest. Yay! The end. Don't post this on YouTube.